Hi there, good evening, welcome back. To compensate for what happened yesterday, I'm recording this way too early today. So it's a Thursday evening. Things got off wound up in the office pretty early today. Not much of a hectic day today because we got one very good and very big news this morning. So last night, at around 1 a.m. or 1:30 a.m. The project that we have been working on since last 2 years, it went live. The beta, we launched the beta version of it live last night, and I know it was getting postponed for quite some time now. And the last update that we had heard was like it wanted to. I mean, we were supposed to go live on Monday. In a way, I was a little bit too apprehensive about Monday. Not that we had not finished the work or any of that sort, but in a way, I don't know. I was not happy with the date. That's something more personal to me. So anyway, got up in the morning. Yesterday there were a lot of issues and stuff, but we sorted off quite a few of them yesterday itself. So eventually, when I got up in the morning and I just checked my Slack, I saw like a fury of messages from the so many people, like in various channels, that our product has gone live and it's all fine. And I mean, like a lot of positivity and a lot of smiles and a lot of josh, I would say. And that enthu was like clearly getting reflected on the messages. I mean, we could the number of messages, the type of messages, the wording, it was showing that amount of enthu that we had in making this go live. On a background note, we have been working on this for like literally 2 years now, and what started off as a conversation that we should build a SaaS offering of the existing product and try to see like this is like revolutionize the way data is managed by organizations. So that's exactly what was the idea. Initially, we were like, how do we do it, and all those things. That questions were like there. What do we use and all the stuff. So over a period of like I would say 1.5 year, it was like all brainstorming, trying to put in pieces together, what tool to use, what not to use, the various technologies, the evaluations, the add-this and all. So eventually, we had like first target release date of last October, and there was no way we could have met it. And so many things changed and priorities changed and all those stuff. And all of a sudden, the Q4 of last year, the attention changed to a different product, a sub product, as I would call. And suddenly, like I mean, by around January this year, we were like, okay, I don't think so. We are going live with our product. It's not happening. That kind of a feeling. But suddenly things picked up again, and eventually they started talking about dates like in March, that this and all the stuff. So they told like do or die in October. I mean early Q4 we have to go live. That was the target that was set, and things got a little bit serious. Things got a little bit more defined, and all those stuff. Deadlines were all set. Milestones were set. So eventually, I mean, we actually thought like probably I think it was like the first or second week of October is when they were thinking of, but eventually like it kept on postponing. But yesterday it went live. I'm just so happy that this happened. And as I told you, like this is a product which we wrote from ground up, like literally from zero, from scratch, from the idea to inception. That's what I would call it. It's not something like that. This is not a startup. Like we are like 100+ year old company, and not that we build something from scratch every day. Most of the things are maintenance stuff. Most of the things are enhancement and stuff like that. And the product that I am currently working on, the older generation of what we launched today, that's there since like maybe a decade or more. Okay. And I myself had been working on this for like last 10 years. So in that way, it's a good achievement. And as I told you, everyone is like very happy. I just cascaded it to the teams as well. Like I mean, I just went a little bit too personal, and I went and spoke, like sent out a message to my team members telling that I don't want to congratulate them, but I want to thank them for all the hard work, because I felt that if not for their hard work, and definitely last 2 weeks had been really very hectic. When I say hectic, I knew few of my team members had like been working overnight, and few of them had been working over the weekends, and even on the festival day on Monday, some of them had worked. and one of my team lead, I mean, he was literally stressed out, and he was one person who at one side was like a bit reluctant on the current state that we are in, and wondering like, can we really do it for this 26th date or whatever the dates that were floating around. But having said that, he literally turned things around single-handedly. Quite a lot of things he took it on his own head, and he made sure that everything works as planned. And instead also some of the big issues that came up, hiccups, he kind of tried to point out where the issues were and try to get the solution and all. So in a way, I kind of like personally thanked him also, and he was very happy that this gesture came in, and he was also very he showed his own gratitude towards me and the team, and he thanked the whole team himself as well. Overall, I would say like one of those days wherein the day started with positivity and the day ended with positivity, and a lot of smiles and good positive energy throughout the day. And this is the type of day that we want to see. I'm not telling we should see this every single day, but this is the kind of that energy that is required more frequently, and especially in these times when people are scattered all around the place, and this type of positivity is what brings people together. So that's pretty much what I wanted to tell, and I just want to say of telling that positivity matters, and even in whatever little form, like the smallest to the best possible thing, show that positivity either in the form of messages or verbally or whatever, and it really shows, brings in some kind of a difference. That's all I would say. So until we meet again tomorrow, take care. Bye bye.